Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change your name on eBay. So without further ado, let's get started. So you need to open the website and you will be able to find an option which is saying your name in the top left corner here. You just need to hover your cursor over it and then you will need to click on account settings and just click on personal information here. And now as you can see, there are a bunch of options here. You just need to scroll down and come in this section, personal info. Click on edit, and now from here you can change your name, your first name and your last name. So I'm just gonna show you by changing it. Okay, so I will click on save, and as you can see, it has been updated successfully. So that's how you can change your name on eBay easily. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.